Class 4 Max. Good morning children. First we're going to start with number names. Write the number names. Here are some examples. You have already studied about these number names in your lower classes. Now recall it. See the first one. 15842. 15842. How to read this number? Okay, we'll see. First, write the place value for this number. 2 is in ones place, 4 tens place, 8 hundreds place, 5 thousands place, 1 10,000. Now you can easily read this number. So 15,842. So 15,842. Second one, 6524. From right side, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 6,524. So next example. So next third example, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So 75,500. 75,500. So next, write the numerals. The first one is 3,78,426. How to write this? First, we write the place value. The number starts with lakh. So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Here 3,78,426. 426. The answer is 3,78,426. Okay. So second one, 23,289. 23,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Starting from 23,000. So 23,289. 23,289. So third one, 57,401. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 57,000. 57,401. 401. One should be in ones place. So here 0. So 57,401. Is it clear? Children, next we will learn expanded form. Next, we will learn expanded form. What is the expanded form of a number? Writing the expanded form of a number means writing the number as the addition of the place value of its digits. Let us write the expanded form of the number. Step 1. We write the number 85,40,625 in the place value chart. 8 in the 10 lakhs place, 5 in the lakhs place, 4 in the 10,000s place, 0 in the thousands place, 6 in the hundreds place, 2 in the tens place, and lastly 5 in the ones place. Step 2. We find the place value of each digit. The place value of 8 is 80 lakh. The place value of 5 is 5 lakh. The place value of 4 is 40,000. The place value of 0 is 0. The place value of 6 is 600. The place value of 2 is 20. The place value of 5 is 5. Step 3. Write 85 lakh sum of the place value of its digits, that is equal to 80 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 5, which is the expanded form, as there is 0 in the thousands place. We do not include in the expanded form. Now let us try some more examples. Look at the number 5,36,786. We write the number in expanded form as 5 lakhs plus 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 6. Next, 60 lakh 7,903. It is a tricky one. We write it in expanded form as 60 lakh plus 7,000 plus 900 plus 3. Here you see 60 lakhs plus 7,000 plus 900 plus 3. Here there are 0 lakhs, 0 10,000s and 0 tens in 60 lakhs, 7,903. So we should not write the zeros here. Now you can clearly understand this expanded form. Next, standard form. Here, first question is 8,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 5. Convert this expanded form to the standard form. Now, we will start from the ones place. Here, 5 is at the ones place. So, first we will write here 5. Then on the tens place there is 7. So write 7. 6 is at the hundreds place. Write 6. See next 8 is at thousands place. So we'll write 8. See here the answer is 8,675. Now next question is 9 lakhs plus 5 10,000s plus 2,000s plus 7 hundreds equal to, we have to start from the ones place. Here no ones digit, so we will put 0. So next see tens place. Here also no tens place, so we will put again 0. And see 7 is at the hundreds place. We will put 7. Next 2 is in the thousands place. We will write 2 here. Then 5 is in the 10,000s place. We will write 5 here. Now at the last there is 9 lakhs. So we write 9. Here the answer is 9,52,700. Is it clear? Okay. Next, let's take another one more example. 6,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 6 equal to ones, 6, tens, 2, hundreds, 5, thousands, 6. 6,526. Children, take down homework sums.